آداب، میں ہوں آپ کے ساتھ امینہ ماجد۔ آج ہم آپ کو لے کے آئے ہیں ایک ایسے اسٹال پر جو بات کرتا ہے ہسٹری کے بارے میں، دا ماضی مرچنٹ۔ تو چلیے اور جانتے ہیں اس اسٹال کے بارے میں۔
Hello, I'm Parakram. I'm the founder of the Maazi Merchant. Maazi کا مطلب ہوتا ہے past, اتہاس in Urdu. And we are the merchants of history. We are a brand built around South Asian artwork. We have our website where we sell Hindustani artworks. It's a huge library, aesthetics from all over the country. And we are soon going to go live with bags as well. Our goal essentially is to tell the Indian audience about their history, contextualize the story of Hindustan, explain the nuances through this iconography. And I hope you like it. Visit our website. It's called themaazimerchant.com. We have a very active Instagram page. And now I'll take you all through our stall, which we set up at Jashn-e-Rekhta. Please come.